Alright guys, so a lot of people have asked me when they're doing SEO on a website whether they should make a new page to target a specific keyword or whether they should try and get that keyword on a page that's already made or already ranking and try and get it to rank for that subsequent keyword as well. And so in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you my process for figuring this out and how I go about deciding whether I use an existing page to target multiple keywords or whether I split that out into multiple pages and make specific pages to target each keyword. So I'm just going to start with an example and show you what I'm talking about. Let's say, for instance, you're a plumber in Sydney and you rank for plumber Sydney. That's one of the main keywords. Now, if we open up, let's say, one of these websites, you'll see a bunch of sub-services to plumbing. So let's say, for instance, emergency plumbing. So now let's say you want to rank for emergency plumbing Sydney. Now, the question is, would you make a plumbing page that just talks about emergency plumbing on it and try and rank that page? Or would you make an emergency plumbing page specifically to target this keyword? Now, obviously, there's a bunch of use cases for this particular thing, and this is how I go about deciding it because it's going to be different in each case depending on what we're talking about. So if we use this emergency plumbing example, what I do first of all, and this is usually the main deciding factor, is I go on Google and I actually take a look at what is the result for this keyword. So you can do this through something like SEMrush, or you can go straight to Google and type it in as well. Type it in, emergency. And I actually take a look at what are the results that show on here. So right now we can see that we've got emergency plumber. We've got a specific exact match domain, emergency plumbing. We have what appears to be another emergency plumbing page. Emergency plumbing, best emergency plumbing. So this is clearly a specific topic in Google's eyes, and all of the competitors are making specific emergency plumbing pages. Now, this one seems like the whole website's got emergency plumbing, so the homepage is targeting that keyword. This has a specific page, emergency plumber. Now, if we just type in plumber Sydney and we remove the word emergency, what you're going to find is that the results are going to be completely different. So you can see here, this is just plumbing general. There's no emergency plumbing thing here. So what this tells me is that Google is seeing this as two distinct searches with two distinct results. And as such, we need to make a specific emergency plumbing page to actually compete with the competitors here who have done the same thing. Now, there are instances where you will search a specific keyword and it doesn't have specific search results for that particular keyword. So for instance, if it's something like maybe plumbing repairs, usually when they get very similar, like the keyword is not a distinct difference, like a distinct service, then things start getting a bit blurred. So let's say, for instance, here you got plumbing repairs. You can see here that a general plumbing page is showing up for plumbing repairs. It's not plumbing repairs specifically. Actually, none of these have the exact keyword plumbing repairs. So now this allows you to do two potentials, right? One is you could theoretically try and make a specific plumbing repairs page and try and rank that for this keyword, and because nobody else is doing it, you might stand a better chance at ranking it. So that sometimes this means it's a window of opportunity. Other times it can mean that you need to just combine it because Google considers it the same topic. So this one is going to require a bit of experience for you to decide. I can't really give you an exact formula on this one because this one kind of depends on the specific topic at hand and how you're going to approach it and how similar it is to the main topic that it's talking about. Because if it is something that's distinct but your competitors just don't have pages on it, then that's a window of opportunity. However, if it's something that's not very clear, then by making two pages, you could cause keyword cannibalization, and that could be an issue. So that's something to consider there. But the easiest way to tell in probably 95% of cases is simply just search it up on Google, like I did with emergency plumbing. If you see a distinct set of results for that other keyword, then it means you need to make a specific page. And that's the most simple answer to that question. And then from there, like I said, you have to decide on the ones that are not as clear which way you want to go personally about it. Theoretically speaking, you could just make the main page and then try and get it to rank like everyone else did. So that's the general easy answer to whether you should make a new page or whether you should use an existing page. If you have any questions about any of this, put them in the comments below and I will answer them. Otherwise, if you'd like me to coach you on how to do SEO and Google ads for only $49 a month, go to learndominatemarketing.com. And if you'd like us to do the SEO or Google ads for your business and get you results, go to dominatemarketing.io, book a call with us there. Catch you on the next one.